It brings us to another highly anticipated IPO. Robinhood at prices tonight, begins trading tomorrow. Leslie Picker always following the money for us, as she is here once again. What can we expect, Leslie Picker?
Hey, Scott, we took a look at some of the biggest deals of 2021, and it's clear that bigger isn't always better here, at least when it comes to these deals this year. Now, tomorrow we'll find out if Robinhood, which is expected to raise $2.2 billion at the midpoint of its marketed range, faces a similar fate. Here's the performance since the debuts of the 6 IPOs that raised more than $2 billion through IPOs in the U.S. this year. Now, Didi has performed the worst, thanks largely to that idiosyncratic risk from a Chinese regulatory probe, but Coupang, Bumble, Shoals, Playtika, all down double-digit percentages as well. Now, the Renaissance IPO ETF of recent deals, all sizes, down more than 5% this year and lower by 19% from its February highs, although you can see up about 3.5% today, getting a nice boost there. Now, to investors in these deals, potentially others, it may signal that the market is having a harder time digesting bigger deals. It may deter them from buying more IPOs if they're underwater in prior ones. Plus, there's been an enormous supply glut this year thanks to so much equity issuance, the biggest in 16 years. Many of those years actually showed the market shrinking. We'll see if Robinhood can break the 2021 curse that has befallen the multi-billion-dollar deals this year, Scott.
What are we to make of this report, Leslie, which I'm sure you saw as well, that the CEO, Vlad Tenev, is not licensed by FINRA? Investors are just learning this. Does it matter? Is it a big deal or not?
I mean, I think the only thing that would really be material to the stock is if it meant he weren't going to be CEO. It's unclear that that would really happen. The fact that FINRA is looking into his licensing, theoretically, what they could do is say, after this investigation, you know, we believe you should be licensed based on your day-to-day role at this company. It really depends on really how involved he is in providing investment advice and his role within the company. There are certain CEOs of brokerage firms that don't have FINRA licenses. Others do. It really just depends on what that CEO does on a day-to-day basis. But theoretically, FINRA could say, we do believe you should be licensed, and then he would get licensed. I don't see this as being something that would actually cause him to lose his job.
I got you. All right, Les, thank you.